Hey guys, it's Tory. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to walk you through from start to finish how to make a chocolate candy bar purse. It's going to be so cute. And I just purchased the SVG off of Etsy, and I'll leave the link below where I bought it. And so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing to do is open Cricut Design Space, click on New Project, Upload, and you're going to want to go to where you saved the SVG file, and we are going to upload it. And then we're going to click on this, and we're going to add it to the canvas. Okay, so now you'll want to select the image and click Ungroup. And then one of the easiest ways to score is with so many different score lines is press the shift key and hold it down, and then press each of these lines. And I'm going to do that first, and I'm going to change it to score, and I'm still holding the shift key down, and I hit attach, and I'm still holding the shift key down. Now I'm going to click here and here, and I'm going to change this to score, and I'm going to hit the attach key, and I'm still holding the shift key down, and then I'm going to let's see if we got it all. We need to do right here, let's move this over. We need to do this one as well, so let's hit score, and then I'm going to slide this back over and just move this a little bit and hit this one to score as well. And then just slide that back. It'll just make a box or a rectangle. Okay, so now we're going to select the whole thing and press attach. And then sometimes that happens where if you see there's two score lines here and only one on this side, sometimes the score line goes to the back. So we just have to grab it. Slide this over. You're gonna grab it and slide it over, and then hit arrange, bring to front, because that's the whole thing, is it wasn't visible. And then you're gonna just slide it back to where it goes, and then now you're going to select the whole thing and press attach. So now they're all attached. And then you want to make sure to hit save so you don't lose it after all that work. And hit save. Okay, so I also want to add a little logo like a Gucci. So what I'm going to do is go to logodix.com, and I'll leave the link below, and I'm going to type in Gucci. And let me see which one I want to use. Okay, so I think I want to go for something like this. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, so now I'm going to download this and save it to my desktop. Okay, so now you'll just go back into Cricut and click upload. Upload again, browse, and just go to where you saved. You'll just want to go to where you saved the image. Click complex, continue, apply, cut, and upload. And then we're going to click on this and add it to the canvas. And it's just a little too big. Just kidding. Okay, so I need to scroll down a little bit and unlock it. That's why it's like uneven like that. So unlock, and then let's just do, I just want to do that to get it smaller. Okay, so now that I can move it a little bit, I am going to make it about this size. And I know it's upside down, but that'll be the size I'm going to have. So that's perfect. And I'm just going to go ahead and click make it. And I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. And this, I'm going to use a foil poster, and that is a foil poster board. I'm going to click done, and I'm going to load the mat. Okay, so I just loaded the mat, and I'm going to press the flashing arrow and then the Cricut button. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit continue. And I'm going to use a glitter cardstock. So let's type in cardstock and see what options they have. Pattern glittered cardstock. Okay, so let's do that. And you can see right there I checked it, and we're going to hit done. And I'm going to change the pressure to more, and because it's kind of thick, so I think I'll do more. And then we're going to need a double scoring wheel, and I think that's because it's so thick. If it wasn't, then we could just use a score. So let's go ahead and get that and load the mat, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Isn't this so cute, you guys? It's so cute. If you could feel it, you would be like, oh my gosh, that's a total purse. It's like, it feels like a glitter purse. It's like that nice texture. And tape the four corners because we definitely don't want this moving. I'm going to move this up a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to place it on the Cricut. And the first thing I'm going to do is press the flashing arrow, and that's just to kind of pull it up onto the mat. This is the A clamp, this is B clamp, so we're going to go ahead and remove this tool. And this is a scoring tool, just a regular scoring tool, but it has the housing. So I'm going to press the housing, and this is just the basic, this is just the basic scoring tool. But I need the double scoring tool, which is a 2. So I'm going to put that on, and you just press this button and then put it on and let go. So let's go ahead and put it in here and close it, and then press the Cricut button. Okay, so now just finished scoring, and it wants us to put the fine blade in. And then we're going to hit the Cricut button to continue. Okay, so I'm so excited. This is going to be so cute. Okay, so what we're going to do is just fold it on the score lines. So it'll have just like that. So let's go ahead. We are going to put these in here. And then what we're going to do first is apply glue right there. So we're just going to put a little bit here and close it and just kind of hold it for just a little bit, and we're going to do the same thing on this side. And fold it down. And then I may need to do a little bit up here as well. Like right up there. I guess I missed that spot. So let's go ahead and do a little bit there. And then hold it. And we want to use a link. And I got this chain. It's 7 yards and it's 6.4 meters, I guess. And let's go ahead. I need to get one of those pliers to cut it. So let's see. I'm thinking we would do it from here. Let's just kind of get an idea. Okay, so I think like that's cute. You don't want to be too big because it's a tiny purse. Okay, so I'm going to cut here. And I can measure it too and let you guys know how big it is. Okay, and I'm just going to use this and press down. I'm thinking that would be strong enough. Yeah, it is. Perfect. Okay, and then what I want to do too is just close this end, which let me get a different tool for that. Okay, so this one, I'm just going to push that back together. And I have this taped just so it doesn't damage. that. Okay, so let me measure that for you first. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to lay this out. And this is about 14 inches. Okay, so now I want to put this right here, and I'm going to do the glue. So let's just kind of make it like a little strip right there. And a popsicle stick so I can push it down because it's hot and you don't want to burn yourself. Okay, and I'm going to bring this around and do the same thing on the other side. So let's do, can you see? I just want to make sure that you can see. Okay, so we're going to do the glue right here and do the same thing. And you want to leave it open for a little bit because you don't want to close it and then it's stuck closed. Okay, so I'm also going to use these, they're called Fastener dots, and I actually got these from the Dollar Tree and they work great. So let's see, this one is perfect. Let me go ahead and cut this. I'm just going to cut this out. And what I did was, there's 2 sheets and I like to put them together and then cut them. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go ahead and put it right up here, and then we're going to peel the back off like that and then close it. So then now that's in the perfect spot. And I want to be careful with the glue because I don't want to get it all over. Okay, so just a little bit. Let's see. I'm just, can you see this? I'm just trying to do a little bit. Okay, and I just did a little bit of it. I may have to fix it. Okay, right in the center. Actually, that's perfect. I really did not use that much. That's perfect. Isn't that cute? Okay, so then we open it and it fits right in here. Okay, so I have the Hershey bar in there. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Comment below and let me know what you guys think. And if you don't already subscribe to my channel and you liked my video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. These are so cute. I think I'm going to do a few more, you guys, just to give you different ideas. And they're so fun. These are so easy to make. And they're so, oh my God, they're so cute. All right, you guys. See you in the next video.